Please always start your Excel formulas with the equal sign. I'm just going to show you a couple of reasons why starting with a plus can cause problems. So the first one is a very South African issue. So notice here in R1, I've got 10,000. If I come to this cell and instead of typing equals, I say plus, and I click on that cell there. When I click enter, notice instead of saying 10,000, which is what I expected, it's saying R1. It's actually put a 1 in there. So when you use a plus, South African's currency is an R, rands, and it assumes you actually mean the number 1 rand instead of look at cell R1. So that can cause problems. So always start with the equal sign. When I say equals that cell, you'll see it gets it correct. Another place where this happens, if you start with a plus, so can you see here, I've got a calculation. I'm going to start with a plus. I'm going to put plus. I'm going to say take that cell, multiply it, if you look over here, by 12 divided by 365 and multiply it again by this cell over here. So I should see 12 divided by 365. I'm going to push enter. If I go back there, notice that Excel has done the calculation for you. So that is 12 divided by 365. Problem is, I want to see the 12 divided by 365. So I'm going to go here rather than say equals that multiplied by 12 divided by 365 multiplied by that. And when I click enter, when I go back into the formula, I see what I typed.